Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to put together my bridesmaids proposal boxes. This is something I've been procrastinating for a long time. I do think I still have time. I do wish I had already done them though. I think getting them out like this month and next month will be fine. It's June right now. My baby is due in August. My wedding is in February, so there's been a lot going on and I've definitely been procrastinating the wedding portion, unfortunately. I have been collecting things for a long time. I got engaged last December and we found out we were pregnant shortly after. So I've been planning both things for a while. My wedding is gonna be on Valentine's Day, so I actually went shopping this past Valentine's Day so I could get like a lot of pink coated things. I have 5 adult boxes to make and 2 junior bridesmaids, and then I also do have the flower girl. I'm not really gonna put her box together yet because there are different things that I want for her. She's also 6 and gonna lose all of these things this far in advance. We're gonna put these boxes together. Probably gonna end up using the Cricut and make a Canva print, I assume, as well. Let's break out the boxes. I'm also gonna link everything I got as much as possible down below so you can see everything I used. First thing I have is the boxes themselves. They're just these like white boxes with lids. Oh, they did come with ribbon as well. I actually didn't realize I was gonna have to wrap the ribbon myself. I'm never good at making a whole bow tie thing, but we're gonna try. These are the little makeup remover things. I personally live by these makeup remover towel cloth things instead of the like chemical makeup removers, just because I have sensitive skin and this is just water and it honestly works on everything. They're heart-shaped and there are 7, which is the perfect amount for my bridesmaids. And I found these around Valentine's Day, but I will link similar. These are the candles. I got these off of Amazon too. They're all, I don't think I got to pick the scent. I think they were just already scented. They all say orange flavor on them, but regardless, they smell good and clean. But they say it smells like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It says smells like you're a bridesmaid. It actually smells really good. And then there is one that says maid of honor. This is obviously vacuum packed, but this is like the crinkle paper that I'm gonna use as filler in the boxes. That's also just from Amazon. From TJ Maxx, I went on a hunt and I got a Glossier lip for everyone. I did have to go to multiple stores in order to get them all. These are the things that I got for my junior bridesmaids. I think I'll also kind of split them with my flower girl, but I got like this 5-pack of lip glosses for, I think mostly for the younger one. I got some makeup brushes for the older one from Real Techniques. I used to love that brand personally. This eyeshadow palette, I can't remember. I'm gonna look back through my texts with my aunt and see which of them was into the eyeshadows, but just like nude, neutral eyeshadow palette for the girls, for one of the girls. I also got this, which I thought was kind of cool. I had seen this actually around like the holidays at Ulta. They had a sampler pack, but it was sold out by the time I wanted to get it, but then I just ended up getting some on Amazon. It's literally just this sample pack of luxury perfumes. You have like Coach, Dolce & Gabbana, Chloe, I can't really see what else is in there. It looks like Cartier. Everybody will get one of these and they're all different. 8-pack of little hair clips. Also got this around Valentine's Day, even though they're not like all pink, but just a cute little easy throw in. These I found around Valentine's Day, which was such a steal. This is what I'm gonna use to kind of recreate the little words project version of it. I had actually originally got it like picked out individually each type of bead that I wanted from Marshall's. I ended up seeing this at TJ Maxx like the next day and it was half the price, so I returned all the Marshalls ones, and this has even more, and it's super Valentine's Day coated, and I think it'll just be really cute for everyone. I do hope there's enough string. It's the only thing I'm worried about, but hopefully we can get them all made today. Bath & Body Works little haul. I got these at, I think this was during a semi-annual sale, which ironically is another one going on right now, and I think I'm gonna get some for my baby shower. Smells so good. I got everybody, including Flower Girl. There is a champagne toast, which I thought was pretty wedding coated, hand sanitizer, and then Black Cherry Merlot. I feel like I picked this because it matched the color theme mostly, but little hand moisturizer. Part of me feels like I don't have enough, but part of me also feels like I'm going overboard. These are all for the junior bridesmaids and Flower Girl. So I have these face masks because I believe my younger cousin is quite into like skincare, some hair accessories that I know she will like. And then for the both of them, also skincare coated, some Mario Badescu facial sprays. Last thing in this box, kind of everything else is for the wedding itself, but I got these. This is permanent vinyl, and then this is heat transfer vinyl. The heat transfer I'll use for the bachelorette and maybe like put their name on a tote bag. And then the permanent, I think I'm gonna use to put their name on the actual box. I'm gonna put the box together first and see if it's difficult. It looks like it goes like this, and then I tie the bow. I don't know how to tie a bow. I guess that's fine. It doesn't need to be perfect. I think that's cute. Now that I know how to put them together, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is make everyone's bracelets, then put the boxes together, then Cricut the names on there. Okay, safe to say that that took way longer than I thought it was going to. I would say the hardest part was like making sure they weren't too big or too small. They're like not perfect, but I feel like they came from the heart, and that's what matters. The bridesmaids, maid of honor, and flower girl. So those I'm going to put aside, and now I feel like I can just kind of start making the boxes. Honestly, I think I'm gonna build them all first and then just lay them out on the table and put things into them. Okay, I do feel like they're coming out so cute. Now I just have to Cricut the names. I am debating getting more filler, but maybe I'll just use tissue paper, we'll see, because I feel like I want it to be like higher up. So I'm doing this on my kitchen counter since I used up all of my table space. I've never used permanent vinyl. I've done like heat press and marker with the Cricut. I can't imagine it's harder than either of those. I'm trying my best, but I have the names. I have all of the names set up on the mat, ready to print. And we are using, it's got like a shimmer, kind of a holographic pink. So I know that I don't think I did that like correctly. I don't have transfer tape. I'm not gonna go get transfer tape. And anyways, it wasn't sticking like color side down to the mat. It's not, the vinyl itself isn't Cricut branded, so I don't know if it has something to do with it or if it's just because this is a light grip mat, but I don't know if you can even see. You probably can't. They did come out really good. I might just have to do it letter by letter, which I'm not upset about. So let's just get started. Okay, I don't know if it's backwards for you, maybe because of the camera, but I just individually put each letter on. It actually wasn't difficult, and now it's pretty much done. And I'll make the bow. I'm not gonna bow it yet because I just wanna make sure nothing moved around inside too much and maybe add more tissue paper. But now I'm gonna name the rest of them first. Okay, this is what we are looking like. Overall, I think all the names came out so good. Obviously, I will tie them into bow ties, but I do still have to put the actual question in there. I'm gonna like print something, make it on Canva, and then put it on like that top inside layer. So like when you open it, that's what you see. I'll probably just print it onto paper and then glue it. We're gonna go look at options. Guest room right now. This has kind of become like where I do my little crafts for bridal and baby things, but obviously it's also a different day if you can't tell. I did the canvas and the printing and everything this morning, which is the day after what you just saw. But I just showed you an overview of one of them. They all pretty much look the same. I'm really happy with them. I think they're super cute. I feel like it was like just enough. I really kind of tried to focus on things that people would actually use rather than just like being useless things. So I think everyone's gonna like what I got. I think they're all gonna be appreciative no matter what, just because that's the kind of friends they are. That is kind of the end of this process, the end of this video. I am gonna link everything that I can or that I have down below. Definitely feel free to ask questions. I'm not like a professional or anything, but I really did enjoy doing this and I think it's really cute and I'm so happy to see their reactions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was informative or useful in any way, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.